I've got a super quick Canva tip for you guys this week. And if you're new to Canva, this might be something that has been driving you crazy for a long time. What I'm talking about is being able to pin that side panel where all of the different things like elements and your brand kit and all of that stuff lives when you're inside of a design. It's super simple, but before we dive into this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so that you never miss a tutorial or upload. Okay, so in case you weren't totally clear what I was referring to, when you are in a design like this and you come over here and you hover over here to grab maybe a different element or add some text or things like that, and then you come in here and you grab a title and you come in and you start typing stuff, right? So what can be super frustrating is when you have to keep going back and forth and keep going back in here, or you accidentally move your mouse and it slides to a different thing, and it's frustrating, right? It's like, why can't this panel just stay put? Well, it can, and it's super simple to do it, but you just might not have ever tried it or realized it. When you hover over here, instead of just hovering, click. The second that you click, it's automatically going to put that into place. It also, as you might have noticed, adjusted your design over. So when you're editing things like videos, this, when it's hovering, it tends to block things like the play button and stuff like that. So it can be super annoying. This just shifted everything over. So now you're able to actually see your entire design, that entire window with this panel next to it. And as you can see, when you move up and down here, it doesn't start switching into the different menu options. So if you have a mouse like mine that has sometimes a mind of its own and starts to kind of drift, that's super annoying because it'll drift out of what you're looking at. But now let's say you've done this and you're like, okay, but I'm done over here now. I want that to go away. Well, then all you have to do is click this little arrow right here. Or as you can see, as you hover over that, it tells you can collapse it by hitting the Control/ as well. But you click that and boom, it's gone. See, super simple, but sometimes it can really save you a lot not having all those extra clicks. The online tools for your business do not need to be complicated and overwhelming. It's time to let it be easy. I hope that you liked that video, and more importantly, that you found it helpful. And if you did, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel and sharing it with a fellow solopreneur. And make sure that you check out the description for links for how we can connect and maybe even work together.